case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard a case in 2012, Douglas v. Independent Living Center of Southern California, Inc., focusing on the idea that federal law supersedes state law when they contradict each other, according to the Supremacy Clause. The case involved a disagreement between Medicaid providers and recipients in California and the federal and state Medicaid laws. California passed 3 statutes that lowered Medicaid providers' payments, but some providers and beneficiaries argued that this went against federal Medicaid law. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals agreed, but the situation changed when the federal agency in charge of Medicaid, CMS, approved the state statutes. The Supreme Court needed to decide whether groups of Medicaid providers and beneficiaries could still sue under the Supremacy Clause to assert that the state statutes were inconsistent with federal Medicaid law. Ultimately, the court vacated the Ninth Circuit's judgment and remanded the case for further proceedings. The court held that parties needed to argue their ability to challenge the state's changes based on the Supremacy Clause or undergo an administrative process. The Supreme Court didn't decide the issue, sending the case back to the Ninth Circuit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.